Memang speed kakak. Mem, baik ya? Acha, hambai. Ani college tunggu. Ah.
Lebang kumui kakak, lebang ramai aja. Tutaro koro, cross koro, tutaro koro. इधर खाली हो जाएगा। जाओ इधर जाओ, 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 जाओ। लगाओ। उधर उसे मत। Igo lo ko lang hati niya.
Kalau boleh.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. Honorable Principal Sir, Dr. Ranjan Kumar Mishra, our respected Vivek Kumar Mishra Sir, Assistant Professor, Tiprasa Government Law College, our coordinator, my colleague Devakanta Devarma Sir, Madam Kalpana Devarma, librarian. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Kok-Borok Day, which is very so I stand here before you all, which I feel today is an immense pride and joyful for us to celebrate this Kok-Borok Day, because Kok-Borok Day gives us a special significance for all the Tiprasa of the Tripura. So first and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our principal for giving us this opportunity to celebrate Kok-Borok in our college. Sir, your unwavering support has been crucial in making this event a reality. Sincere, most great thanks goes out to our chief guest who has already left because of his commitment to some other place. So, for gracing this event, I gratefully thanked him. So, it is a bit difficult for me to speak in Kok-Borok, as well as I'm at a time, I'm feeling a bit nervous. I don't know why suddenly. So forgive me for that.
Can you speak in the Kok-Borok?
Yeah, I speak Kok-Borok, but I'm not fluent in Kok-Borok.
Please speak for the...
So, nakasano, pinihan amin sorry bahamya, had so much. While coming on the way, sir, my niece has been an accident. She fell down on the stairway. So she had a headache. So while coming also, she came along with me. She is student of first semester. So since that, I'm having a bit of nervousness going on. I don't know suddenly. So. So I hope everyone will understand. We are very
Puilano kulum kadalano di borgaham goram ganante boram ganante shono. Good afternoon to everyone presented here, all respected teachers and principals and dignitary. I'm Khushbu Devarma from first semester, going to recite a poem, which is we call it Kok-Borok. So, written by Dr. Vijay Devarma. The name of the poem is Shwadeshwai Kalambra. So here I start. Amano kisa chomlele, kisa misa khalele, kisa kofai mokai, kisa kebati dagmida, eva yong la shiprak me bukurhai. Jotono tongpai nai jai milikhai khalja, nai thoki chapja, mol bayak bigadalja, amuti kok kurai. Tuini on thai konde, didak shida keplen lamano.
Thank you, Khushbu, for your heartfelt recitation. Now I would like to request Dr. Vivek Kumar Mishra, Sir, Assistant Professor, to share his thoughts on the importance or significance of Kok-Borok and our culture.
और पहले जब हम लोग छात्र थे तो हम लोगों का दोस्त एक कहावत कहा करता था, वीरे ज्ञाने विनय नमे विस्मय न कुरु बहुरत्ना हव सुंदरा। वीरता में, ज्ञान में, विनम्र में कभी आदमी को घमंड नहीं करना चाहिए। इस पृथ्वी पर एक से एक बढ़कर वीर पड़े हुए हैं। 10:30 से लेकर के और 5:30 बजे तक सेकेंड फ्लोर पर दरवाजा खोलकर आप जब जाएंगे लाइब्रेरी में, एक मूर्ति आपको मिलेगी जो हर पल अध्यापकों और छात्रों का मदद करने को हमेशा रेडी है। इज इट और नॉट? बोलिए। आज देखिए जान के ये हमारे बीच में कितनी बड़ी ये एक गौरव है हमारे कॉलेज की कि अपने भाषा में सबसे पहले इस राज्य में समाचार पढ़ते हैं। इनके लिए हम लोग एक देखिए तो इन्होंने अपना जीवन सफल कर लिया। भारतेंदु हरिश्चंद्र बोले कि बिन निज भाषा ज्ञान के, निज भाषा उन्नति है, बनारसी भाषा है ये, निज भाषा उन्नति अहय माने है, निज भाषा उन्नति है सब उन्नति को मूल, और बिन निज भाषा ज्ञान के मिटे नहीं जो कोसूल। अपने भाषा के ज्ञान के बिना आपके हृदय में एक कांटा हमेशा रहेगा। मैथिली शरण गुप्त को देखिए, जो कवि थे, उन्होंने कहा कि जिनको न
Phalai Hampai sir, now thank you sir for enlightening us. Ke tabuk chanchi ni kerom ring sring nok ni frengai okra ni khupte ko kaham runga khana laya na. It's now time to hear from the principal of Tiprasa Government Law College, Dr. R.K. Mishra sir. We invite you to share your thoughts with us, please.
Thank you all. Convey my heartfelt greetings and congratulations to all of you. Happy Kok-Borok Sall 47. On the dais, Mr. Narendra Devarma, eminent author of Kok-Borok, also the editor of Running Korean, Voice of Time. I suppose this magazine is a quarterly magazine based on economic, socio-economic, cultural and literature. Dr. Vivek Kumar Mishra, assistant professor of this college. Tisapon Devarma,
cultural ethos using Gogora, Nakamabara, Bukung Boboni Bara. Sagbo Kolok, Kanaibo Kolok, Bahaibo Online Halok. Yago Matia, Monimatagya, Sagole, Kabataglia. Sayovikari, Sungu Bogari, Nakamani Bini Yapri Mari. Mogola kosong sirja, kutsiok, kesak puljak, boleh rignai camati kanjak. Kunjo kumbubar kanjak, korobole langgabo horjak, naikamale bini keno takjak, hambai.
A very good afternoon, respected principal sir, professors, and all my dear brothers and sisters. I'm very fortunate for having this opportunity to stand before you all on the day when we're celebrating our 47th Kok-Borok Sall. Now I'm going to recite a Kok-Lop. The title of the Kok-Lop is Hindito, written by Sudhana Devarma. Hindi mang songrok hindi. Lama kolok na himnani tongo. Bokorok poza tongo hindi mang songrok hindi. Borok ni mafa tongo umur ni mafa kerei. Jerai furu botuyo zakara botuyo. Tenyani jora kerei. Tenyani kiri nai wai ni matuyo tema tenyani kiri. Hamyao tuyo geledi tuyo gelei botuyo. Temani bumung kerei. Bubui nobo ni jora kerei. Azaima thima kecania jora abosa ni manai. Cana ni rengkai cadang mai manai. Cana rengya kai kepalni poja. Hori mati thai hobung sabung. Kini de thino khana de thino tema wana matong. Jora kisi saya kota tokdi poja ujan se khojadi. Himna se khai di dati dodoro tema mulang baca. Dowo se hindi dati poja kalanya naidi. Lama kefleng lama korele habung hatai botongo. Haruak kosong kanananga.
Thank you, Principal, for your beautiful recitation. Now, I would like to call upon Sampali Deparma of first semester for her poem recitation.
Good evening, good afternoon, everyone, Principal Sir and all the faculty members. Today, I'm going to present a poem named Sajung Faimani Sajung Otangnan. Sajung Faimani Mani Rokni Sajung Otangnani Nanai. Ozora Baifu Nini Ani Sabole Nini Logi Tangin Tongnai. Guruike Bo Ohayungo Sak Sakno Utangi Nangai. Ajay Furu Jung Bebakno Ajay Sajungno Jung Lefayo. Wansugui Bukano Metebui Jolma Josa Jung Le Layo. Salsaya Gari Matango Borobat Tongoi Bai Borobat Tangnai. Bukade Morke Unka Machine Saslang Layo Hai Klai Angotini Jumui Otongoi Nani Raidas Namjak.
Recitation for today is by Phalai Deparma of 7th semester. Let's welcome him with a round of applause.
baru sini borong bana pernai bokro ke orang pernai jodoh sini pernai bokro. First of all, I would like to thank our principal sir for giving us this opportunity to celebrate the 47th Kok-Borok. Ansa botamo bodo pani ka sawi mana musungo ani sakbaitan. Ansa botamo bodo pani ini sakbaitan nosi sinuwi manya. Abarokle saknobo rongwe naragri manya. Sakno sendi ansa botamo sininai afro nini dopano. Anno ohani dusa, anno Tiprasa nei. Sisana nanai semjoto katansa, ansabo damo nei sengi jenai ka. Seng saksak busuk lama koroka. Lama koroi romai mandiya, ansabo damo sini lai mandiya.